is ideal for people who are now maybe a little bit more senior, are moving into a general manager role and potentially are looking at a C-suite role. As you progress in your career, you'll find you have to have more responsibility for the numbers and you have to sit at the table and engage with your finance and accounting colleagues. So what we'll do is give you the language and the tools to do that. We focus on demystifying the jargon and giving you an understanding of the foundational principles, because if you understand the foundations really well, it's easy to build on top of that. This course is not designed to train you to be an accountant, rather it's designed to give you the tools and the language and the concepts you need to be a better corporate executive.
The reason I chose this course is to further my understanding of financial and accounting concepts to help me make better informed decisions. My assumption was that it's quite a high level course, but going through the couple of days, it goes deeply into financial concepts. We also made some exercises and classwork, and that was quite helpful because it's not just about the theory, it's also about the practice.
I selected this program so I could further grow my career, not only operationally but financially. So when I'm sitting with the guys in the meetings, I know what they're talking about and I can relate to some of the stuff that they're saying. What we've been taught today is actually how to go into depth and how to look further into reading a financial statement, and not only just reading it but understanding the way in which that company wants to go.
The major point that jumped out for me in the program is really the participants. So we have like CEOs in there, we've got like operational managers in there, and I think it's really good that we have a diverse set of like angles that questions are being asked in this course. And then obviously also the lecturer Jennifer is very knowledgeable, and that helps a lot. And also I really like the hands-on exercises, because it's one thing to listen to presentation after presentation and look at slide after slide, but really then have a task where you have a spreadsheet and you need to fill in the right transactions in the right columns, and you find out whether it actually like balances it out or not. That's really a standout for me, so I really enjoyed that a lot.
I love teaching this course because it has been specifically reverse engineered to give you what you really need. There's no textbooks and there's nothing that's been rolled over from years and years and years. It's fresh, it's relevant, and you'll really enjoy it. At the end of the day, the numbers are how we measure whether we're being successful in the marketplace. So if you can work with the numbers, they'll work with you.